Hello, today I would like to show you how to do well on IELTS Listening Map. It's really simple, however some people get confused. To find a great answer, to do it really well in IELTS Listening Map, so you have to know the directions. Like this one is the north and the top, this one is east and right, this one is the south and the bottom that you have to mark here, and this one is west and the left. Don't get confused. So once you start, you have to know where you are starting. I believe we start from here, mark this location, and for this we have to correct this. We should find a new car parking and new cricket pitch, and we have to find all the answers. Like when you are walking, imagine you are walking here, like when you are walking on the left, this one, on the right, this one. Try to find as much as possible and follow the directions clearly, and you have to know the old vocabulary. If you want to get a great vocabulary for the IELTS listening, I'll leave in the link description below. You can download it from my Telegram, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel too. Please join that channel. Okay, and now I'm going to turn the listening. However, I'm going to mute the voice because of copyright reasons, but I'll show you how I'll do it on the way. Thank you for patience. Thank you for being patient, and please wait a little bit. All right? Okay, let's go. So okay, as you can see, we found it very easily, like because it's saying like on the opposite direction, on the left, on the right, behind the trees, these kind of simple words. All we have to know the vocabulary and some little bit practice with the map. In the beginning it may be hard for anyone, but if you practice 2 or 3 times and learn the vocabulary, as I mentioned, I'll leave in the description below. If you download those words, amazing, only 4 pages, but super helpful, I promise. And as you can see, I marked all this, and I want to pause a little bit before I check, and after I'll check, I'll get back to you. So here I checked and I found all the answers correct. The reason is because I follow a simple strategy that this is how to know the direction, and I don't get lost. Like I follow this direction. If they say behind the trees or near the river, all the corrections and all the words, I try to find as much as possible, and I just go with the flow, you know. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and I'll see you next time. Bye.